Every adventure I take starts with a daring journey. This one just happens to start with Pinocchio. So let's head on in and maybe we'll get to visit some Pleasure Island.
Hi, diddly-dee, an actress like me.
For me, we're making lots of money.
Hey, this way! Oh no!
So, you want a good time? And right.
I want to go home. I want to go home. Quick, this way!
You blows somewhere.
Oh gosh, monster! Pinocchio! You're on your way now. I'm so happy.
Any trip to Pleasure Island is always a good trip to Pleasure Island because you got to go have pleasurable time when you're on the Pleasure Island. You know, hanging out, escape, don't get turned into a donkey, and you're good to go. I say that's a pretty pleasurable time as it is either way. Thank you guys for watching this POV of Pinocchio's Daring Journey here at Disneyland Park. The original one because it's one of the better ones, if not the best of all of them. Hey, I can say that, right? Well guys, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe here on YouTube, as you never know what other random POVs I might film for you. Love you all. Peace.